Good day to everyone. Today I will do the range test for the 011X. Now you can see 84 volts. So we will limit the speed to 30 kilometers per hour. Okay. I've got 7. Do it. Let's do it and go. Okay, let's go. The wind today is a bit strong. Muntik na tayo dun ah. Now it's 5:54 PM. Our target is 86 kilometers. Using 30 kph speed. Ngayon ay 81.3 yung voltage natin pagka naka-engage. Ang cutoff niya ay 60 volts. Meron pa tayong 21.3 volts. Tignan natin kung kakayanin niya yung 86 kilometers na range. Maya lulubog na ang araw. Gusto kong makunan ng video yung sunset. So maya try natin kunan ng video. ayaw nyo mag-activate ng cruising, kaya no choice tayo. Kailangan naka-hold tayo sa throttle. Ayaw eh. So we are using the speed of 30 kph, gear 1 and single motor, 011X 32AH. Palagi ko pinapaalala na kapag babike kayo ng scooter or any riding activities, always wear your protective gears, helmet, body armor, knee pad, elbow pad. I recommend full face helmet, guys. Yung takbo ko ngayon 30, parang takbo tayo ng parang takbong Xiaomi at saka 9bot. Yan. Kapag alanganin na tayo, hindi na tayo tutuloy hindi na natin tatapusin yung 86 kilometers. Yan, medyo paahon ngayon. Mamaya maraming kang paahon at saka palusong. Malalaman natin kung makakasurvive si 11X. Ngayon solo ride ako. Magda solo ride niya. Solo ride niya, diba? Base sa app, mobile app, 8.67 kilometers. Meron pa tayong 78 kilometers na bubunuin. Pag gusto nyo nga palang matest yung endurance nyo sa pagbabike, ay suggest punta kayo dito sa Al Qudra. Nasa south ng Dubai to, southern part ng Dubai. Dahil meron silang ang maximum dito sa may last exit ay 86 kilometers road. Tapos meron pa sila doon sa kabila na mga 30 plus yata yun. So 100 plus kilometers one round. Nakaka 22 minutes na tayo ng ride. Meron pa tayong 3 hours. Mamaya mag-stop over tayo sa isang shed.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Parang may additional ang laki ng lugar na to, no? Ayun, udang pa doon. Board check A78.8, 79 sa display. Yan. Ang natakbo na natin ay 17. So 78 almost, kasi kanina 81 eh. Almost 2 volts. 17 point, pagpalagyan na natin 18 kilometers, 2 volts, 18 kilometers. Yan. Yun o, may natakbo oh. Isang oryx. Ayun o, bilis. Yun, tatawid yata. Yan, tumawid. Bilis tumakbo oh. Yan po yung oryx. Yan. Sila mag-isa. Hello! Woo! Bigyan na bawasan yung salubong natin sa hangin. Paayo na tayo. Tumas din yung voltage niya. So may effect talaga yung yung wind. Yan. Na tayo nararamdaman ng hangin. Nasa likod na yata natin ang gagawin. Bali paayo na tayo. Teka, nandito tayo. So ayan, ginabi na tayo. Op. Ating gloves. Gloves na manipis. Volt check 77.3. So 1 kilometer na tayo. Nag-off kasi siya. Wala pa tayo nakikita kahit isang biker. Siguro walang kumuha ng ruta na to. Layo na kasi. So first time ko mag-isa lang natin binaybay itong Alcudra paggabi. Yan. Sana maging okay ang lahat. Update guys, volt check 76.3. Naka 9 kilometers na tayo since photoshoot. Mula nung tumigil tayo para mag picture. Tapos kanina chinek ko sa mobile app, ang natakbo na natin ay naka 25 na tayo kanina. Tapos plus 9 35 alas na almost 35. Na tayo makita kahit isang biker. Siguro dito sa kabilang ruta. Mamaya malalaman natin. Ayun na. Yes. Tapos kakanan tayo. Start ng 16 kilometers. Okay. So ayan, naka 35.4 na tayo. Tapos 25 60 na. Tapos plus 16 76. So mas maikli siya ng 10 kilometers. Hindi malaman natin mamaya. Namatay na po yung footboard light natin. Naubos na yung battery ng ano. Muna natin. Umiya na ulit. Right ba to? No. Dalawa sila, bike. Okay. Ang kulat naman ako ba? So kanina sa computation natin, yung 14 kilometers umubos ng 2 volts. So kung 2 volts mababawas sa 71.8, magiging 69.8. So pagkalagay na natin yung 68 na lang, meron pa tayo yung 8 volt. Pero ang tinakbo lang natin, ang tatakbuhin lang natin siguro ay 76 kilometers, hindi yung 86 na gayang kinuha namin dati. Okay lang. At least meron tayong rough estimation ng voltage tsaka range. Yun o. Kita nyo ba? Kaya baka tayo mabangga. Okay. Baka tayo sumalas sa lane eh. Yan na naman. Pasalubong na naman tayo sa hangin. Tulo si Pune. Na. Oh, lamig. Kalamig. Woo! Malapit na po tayo sa 5 kilometers mark. Ito 5 kilometers to. Ito may isang palok na to eh. Look. See? Yay! 5 kilometers. Voltage natin ay 70. Ayan pa on po. $71.2. Ano ba yun? Ay, doon pa pala. Sorry. Excited eh. Yan na. Yeah. Oh, may bata pa. Ano yun? Okay. Garage tayo ng 71.3 ang natira. 62 kilometers. Takbo natin. Ayan, 80.79. Ayan, naka-80 na tayo. Galing. At yan po nagtatapos ng ating range test. Maraming salamat sa mga sumubaybay hanggang sa finish line. See you on the next video. Bye bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone